Let's have a brief discussion of the relationship between software patents and software licenses. A patent gives exclusionary rights to the owners of the patent. It could be rights to the program, the source code in the program, the library interfaces, and in some cases, unfortunately, even techniques and algorithms. You have to file for patents in every nation or trading bloc, such as the European Union, for which you would like coverage for the patent. This is very expensive, time-consuming. It's something that generally only larger companies can afford. And exactly what the patent can cover varies from place to place. For instance, in the United States, there is an exclusion of, quote, abstract ideas. Do we need software patents? Well, that's a debatable issue, and there are some people who believe there should be no software patents at all. Notice copyright is a different question. Copyright controls whether or not your work can be explicitly copied and plagiarized and taken directly. And trademarks protect your brand name or a product name, etc., from use illegally by somebody else. Very often, software patents are used in a defensive manner. One corporation cross-licenses the patents of another corporation, and this way they avoid ever suing each other. The Open Invention Network, or the OIN, is very important. It was founded in 2005 and now has over 3,000 members, including very influential companies with a lot of patents, including Google, IBM, NEC, Philips, Red Hat, Sony, SUSE, Toyota, and since 2018, Microsoft, which came in and brought with it 60,000 patents. This is a global patent pool, and any company that joins the OIN enters into a non-aggression agreement with the other members and agree not to sue each other over patent issues as long as people respect the issues of their membership. Now, some licenses talk about patents and some don't. On the column on the left, we mention licenses which do have some discussion of patents and ones on the right which generally do not. So you notice, for instance, the Apache license talks about patents. GPL version 3 does not, but GPL version 2 does. The BSD licenses do not talk about patents. And sometimes projects will have a separate file that explains their attitude about patents. It might be called licenses, it might be called patents, and it'll be in the source code. So that's a brief discussion of the relationship between patents and licenses.